Now we are going to discuss the fourth problem. A, B, C are partners sharing profits and losses in proportion to their capitals in the beginning of the year. So their profit sharing ratio will be their capital ratios. They are entitled annually to draw 6,000, 5,000, 4,000 respectively out of their anticipated share of profits. Any drawings in excess of these amounts are to be regarded as advances taken from their from the fair offer and are subjected to interest at an average rate of 6% per annum. So if they are taking more than these amounts, we have to charge 6% per annum. The capitals as at the beginning of the year to be allowed interest at an average of 5% per annum. So interest on capital will be 5% and interest on drawings will be 6% per annum. Actually, this will be considered as a loan if they are taking more than these three amounts, right? The capitals of the partners as at the beginning of the year 80,000, 60,000, 40,000. These are the capitals at the beginning. We have to find out the profit sharing ratio according to their capitals. So A, B, C. A has capital of 80,000, B has 60,000, and C has 40,000 as their capitals. So we have to find out the capital sharing ratio for this. Here, for the four zeros will be cut down, and 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 2s. So 4:3:2 is their capital sharing ratio, profit sharing ratio, and the credit balances of their current accounts were, and he is mentioned he is following fixed capital method. So we have credit balances of current accounts. We have current accounts here. Their drawings during the year: A 10,000, B 12,000, C 4,000. The profits for the year were 30,096 before making any adjustment for the interest as above. Drop the capital and current accounts of the partners. So we have to create the P&L appropriation account and capital accounts. So what will become in the P&L appropriation account? So P&L appropriation account lo manaki ఏమేమి వస్తాయి and credit side na by net profit and by interest on drawings, and in the debit side to interest on capital, and we will have three partners: A, B, C. And if they are taking any salary, we have to write salaries here. But in the problem we don't have any salary given to the partners, and we don't have any commission. We are not giving any commission to the partners, so we will have these things only here, and we have to divide the remaining profit to the partners according to their capital sharing ratio to A, B, and C. So what is the net profit in the problem? They have given net profit is 30,096. So net profit 30,096. Interest on drawings, and we have three partners: A, B, C. అండ్ మనకు ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏమి ఇచ్చినాడు, ఒకవేళ పార్ట్నర్స్ 6,000, 5,000, 4,000 కన్నా ఎక్కువ డ్రాయింగ్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఆ తీసుకున్న దాయుని పైన 6% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ని ఛార్జ్ చేయమన్నారు. సో మనకి ఏ ఎంత తీసుకున్నాడు, 10,000 తీసుకున్నాడు. ఏ ఎంత తీసుకున్నాడు, 10,000 తీసుకున్నాడు, కానీ అలో చేసేది ఎంత 6,000. సో ఎంత ఎక్సెస్ ఉంది? 4,000 ఎక్సెస్ ఉంది. సో ఏకి 10,000 మైనస్ 6,000, 4,000. 4,000 పైన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత? ఆ 4,000 పైన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత? Here is given how much. Any drawings in excess of these amounts are to be regarded as advances taken from the and are subjected to interest an average of 6% per annum. So we have to charge 6% per annum. So 4,000 into 6 by 100. For B, B is taking 12,000 drawings, and we are allowing 5,000 only. So 12,000 minus 5,000. So 12,000 minus 5,000, 7,000 into 6 by 100, and C is taking 5,000. C is taking 5,000 and allowable 4,000. So 5,000 minus 4,000, 1,000 into 6 by 100. So here we will get 240, 420, 60. And interest on capital, here their capitals, how much capitals they have? They have 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000 as their capitals. So 80,000, 60,000, 40,000. And interest on capital, how much interest on capital? 5%, 5% per annum. So 80,000 into 5 by 100, 60,000 into 5 by 100, 40,000 into 5 by 100. We will get 4,000, 3,000 and 2,000 for A, B, C. Right. And do the total of credit. We will get 30,816, and we have to subtract the debit from the credit. ఈ మొత్తం క్రెడిట్ నుంచి ఈ మొత్తం డెబిట్ని మేనేజ్ చేస్తే మనకి టోటల్ నెట్ ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది. సో టోటల్ నెట్ ప్రాఫిట్ విల్ బి 21,816. అండ్ ఈ 21,816ని వీ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ మా ఏబిసి. సో ఈ 21,816ని మనం పార్ట్నర్స్కి డివైడ్ చేయాలి అకార్డింగ్ టు దేర్ క్యాపిటల్ షేరింగ్ రేషియో. 21,816 into 4 by 4 plus 3 plus 2. ఏకి వచ్చేది 4, 4 plus 3 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. So 4 by 9. We will get 4 by 9. We will get 9696. For B, same as 21,816 into 3 by 9, 21,816 into 2 by 9. We will get 7272. For C, 4848. Total 30,816. Right. And we have to write current account and as well as capital accounts. And in the current accounts we have already previous balances. So by balance, how much balances we have? We have in the problem the credit balances of their current account. They have 2304, A have 2304 and B have 3728. C has 1152, right? And whatever the amounts they are getting, వాళ్ళకి ఏదైతే అమౌంట్ వస్తున్నాయో అండ్ ఏవైతే ఇక్కడ డెబిట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నాయో ఇవన్నీ కూడా పార్ట్నర్షిప్ అకౌంట్లో కరెంట్ అకౌంట్లో క్రెడిట్ సైడ్కి వస్తాయి. ఏవైతే ఇక్కడ క్రెడిట్ ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ కూడా పార్ట్నర్స్ అకౌంట్ లోపల పార్ట్నర్స్ కరెంట్ అకౌంట్ లోపల డెబిట్ సైడ్ వస్తాయి. సో హియర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ క్యాపిటల్ బై interest on capital for A 4000, for B 3000, for C 2000, right? And we have net profit by P&L appropriation account, net profit of 9696 7272 4848. And in the credit side, here we have interest on drawings, right? And ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ డ్రాయింగ్స్ హియర్. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఖచ్చితంగా డ్రాయింగ్స్ వస్తుంది. డ్రాయింగ్స్ ఉంటేనే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ డ్రాయింగ్స్ కూడా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ డ్రాయింగ్స్ హియర్. డ్రాయింగ్స్, హౌ మచ్ డ్రాయింగ్స్ దే హ్యావ్, how much drawings they have, they are taking how much drawings. A is taking 10,000, B is taking 12,000, C is taking 5,000. So A is taking 10,000, B is taking 12,000, C is taking 5,000. And to interest on drawings 240, 420 and 60, right? These are the balances we will get in the current accounts, and we have to do balancing here. And we have credit balances more. So total of the credit will be 16,000, 14,000, 8,000. And we have to subtract A's credit with the A's debit. సో ఈ 16,000 నుంచి ఈ 10,240ని తీసేస్తే మనకి ఏ యొక్క బ్యాలెన్స్ వస్తుంది. సో టు బ్యాలెన్స్ here we will get 5,760, 5,760, same like that 1580, 2940 here. Here 16,000, 14,000 and 8,000, right? These are the current accounts, and we have to prepare capital accounts also here. So here మనం capital account prepare చేసేటప్పుడు we don't have any new things to add here. By balance వాళ్ళ క్యాపిటల్స్ ఎంత ఉన్నాయి, వాళ్ళ క్యాపిటల్స్ ఎంత ఉన్నాయి 80,000, 60,000 అండ్ 40,000. సో అవే అమౌంట్స్ ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. 80,000, 60,000, 40,000, and they are not adding any extra capital here. So to balance carry forward 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000. Right.